Today at session, discussion on Senator Dennis Rodriguez's bill to enhance smoking restrictions resumed. This time, senators argued about the penalties and the enforcement of those penalties for people who get caught smoking while driving in a car with a minor. PNC's Tim McHenry has more.
Senator Dennis Rodriguez's Bill 14333 would amend parts of Guam public law and the Natasha Act to increase enforcement of the Natasha Act, which bans smoking in public areas. An amendment was added to include bars as a list of banned places where people cannot smoke. Also decided was to delete the provision of who can enforce violators of the Natasha Act. Previously, the bill would have allowed civilians to make citizens' arrests and bring forth civil suits to anyone violating the act by smoking in a banned place. With the deletion of that provision, enforcement would go to private security companies. Next up, Senator Tony Atta introduced an amendment to the Natasha Act that was passed and will take away a free pass to anyone caught smoking in their cars with a minor present. The amendment would automatically give the offender a $100 citation if they're caught smoking in their car with a minor present. Further, Senator Tom Atta then introduced three separate amendments that would lay out penalties for first, second, and third offenses to offenders caught smoking in the car with a minor. The amendment, which was passed, reads as follows. The first offense for anyone smoking while driving in a car with a minor is $100. The second offense fines the offender no less than $100 and no more than $200. And if the offender pleads guilty, to avoid court appearances, they will be allowed to pay a $200 fine. And for the third offense, the offender must pay no less than $200 and no more than $500. And if the offender pleads guilty, they can pay $500 to avoid a court appearance. Senator Dennis Rodriguez's Bill 14333 was moved to the third reading file. For PNC News, I'm Tim McHenry.